Let me make this quick video. It's probably been like a week or two since I made a video, but it's been rough, man. I can't lie. My work schedule made me like miss a lot of trades. I don't think I went over the trades that I missed like the past couple weeks, but let's just not go back to that. But I missed a lot of good trades. This is one of them. This one I can't blame work for this one. I gotta blame myself for this one because I seen it happen. I was aware of this area, but I still didn't take it. I don't know when I will ever learn, man. But anyways, this one was just simple, just a simple trade. There's really nothing much about it. We are in this area here. So we got that right there. You know what I'm saying? That's like the last order block after like the break of these lows here, and we are still overall bearish. I was biased. Yeah, I was biased here. Hold on. Let me go back to this. Actually, hold on. We'll come back to that one. What was this one about? Oh, okay. I was in this trade actually. Not this one, but on this portion. I was in this trade here. Like from this. So basically, yeah, same shit. Two breaks. Anticipating the third. Boom. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, okay, I can blame work for this one because when I went home, I was fast asleep. I work night shift, you know what I'm saying? I don't get sleep. So when I went home at like around, well, like around 6 or some shit, yeah, I fell asleep. And around the time I woke up, it's around here. It was from this candle. I got in on this candle, but the entry was so bad, man. Even if this shit wins, I didn't care, bro. I was like, fuck this. I'm getting out of this trade. Because I was aware, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was really confident about this trade, but the entry was just so bad that it wasn't worth it staying in it. So I just closed out. Because I'm pretty sure I entered around this area. Look at this one. Entered around this area, not this one here. So, yeah, like, I think it was, the risk was like 150, which I don't risk that much. But the reward was like 200, so it wasn't worth it, really. I mean, some of y'all would say that's a good risk to reward 1 or 2, but I just don't do 1 or 2s, man. Because there was still a chance of me getting tapped out. I just didn't want to take that risk. So that was that. And as you can see, it hit TP pretty nicely. So let's go back. Let's go back to recent time. Yeah, this one. I just realized I haven't traded ever since up here. That's crazy. Well, I didn't even get to trade this. So yeah, really, I already said why I missed this, to be honest. We got a minimum of 2 breaks of structure. This. So I was aware of this area here. Oh, fuck. I was aware of this area here because, technically that is the last order block before we broke this low here. And he also has an imbalance. But I also had a POI up here on a 1 minute, which I shouldn't. Oh, I don't know, man. That was just my fault, really. It was this one here. That was just, what I'm saying. I was just asking for too much at that point. Because that would be too perfect if price tapped that, but price tapped this one instead. So yeah, that's about it. It's really it for NAS. I mean, really, oh yeah, let me explain that the annotation right there. I think I was around here, yeah. When price was around here, I said buys from here. I should have put this here, because because this is where I called the buys. But yeah, I said possible buys. I actually had an entry here, but I got tapped out. It was, yeah, my stop loss was like below this, I think. And then, as you can see, I got tapped out. So yeah, and price just went higher. So yeah, we had this relative equal highs here. I knew for a fact price was gonna grab that, and it did, and then it fucking melted right after. But I was expecting price to come tap this daily order block here. And from here, really, Yeah, I can see a possibility of price going coming back up and tapping this, but 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 we're around here right now. This is technically this is the order block. You know, last order block before it broke these two levels here. This one is key. So when I wake up in the morning, if price is stuck around this area, I'm gonna look for sales. Yeah, if price is stuck around here, I'm gonna look for a sell. Go to the 15 here. You got to break here, break here, break here, and yeah, I mean, we already have our minimum. This hasn't been tapped into yet, and it may look like it got tapped into already because of this wick, but it really hasn't because it needs to tap that body. There are times where like price just taps the fucking wick of the order block, but normally if you want to look for order blocks, you want to see price tapping the body. And this one's kind of unusual. This is like a little special type of order block because of that long wick. And also see in the 30 minute, but you got an imbalance here. So we might see a reaction off of that. And if we do, I'm gonna go over it. Or if we don't, I'm gonna go over it on my next video, if I ever make one. This week's been a busy week for work. So I don't know when's gonna be the next time I'll be able to make a video. But here, man, I don't even know where the fuck I'm at in GU right now. I think it's been a while since I traded GU, man. I don't know if I ever took this trade. Hold on, let me check. Cause that might just be a markup that I didn't take. So I don't know, but yeah, I haven't traded G. Oh wait, I have right here 23505. Okay, no, that's not even it. 23505 is around here. Yeah, I took a sell at 23505. Got another one 225. Oh, we're here 86. Okay, yeah, right here. Let's see what happened here. I'm currently down like 2% on my challenge overall, which isn't really that bad. Yeah, this didn't work out. Let's see what the reason was for that. Honestly, this should have been a solid trade, to be honest. But I guess I was just wrong. I really can't explain why I was wrong, because look at this. We never had to break the structure on a 4-hour, or even a 1-hour, or the daily. And the daily even tapped into a weird ass candle here and filled out the imbalance. So yeah, I really don't know why why they got violated. Let's see if yeah, it didn't even go lower from that point. It did tap that order block though that I had marked up. Honestly, from here, I can yeah, I'm still bearish on GU. And it's good that it's like pulling in deeper into that order block. Because if you want to, if you have an order block, you want price to pull deep in there so it can grab as much liquidity. Because if it just taps into it, there's still a risk. Like there's still a big risk of price pulling in deeper in that order block. So yeah, that's good that it does that. But I don't know how this didn't work, to be honest, man. I don't got no explanations. I can't say anything. I really don't have an explanation, bro. It just didn't work. That's just the explanation. It just didn't work. That should have been a solid ass trade, though, man. We tapped into this. That would have been sick. I guess it's wrong then. Let's see if it took out like a previous low or something. Okay, we've been taking out lows without having much of a deep retracement. We closed below that low. We wicked through this one. I don't really think this low is that significant, to be honest, though. This one is more significant, and this one. So this low is the origin of the whole break of this high here, and this one was the origin, the break of this high and this one. This one's internal structure, though. This is the whole external range for that particular price move. Well, honestly, anything inside this range is internal, so I guess they're all significant then. So yeah, I mean, if I see some bearish setups tomorrow on GU, I'm definitely taking it. Man, this time though, man, I feel like I'm just overcomplicating things, man. Like, I'm not gonna, when I see a setup, I'm gonna take this shit. Cause I don't know what I'm scared of. I have good risk management. Don't get it twisted. I'm always risking $100 on my trades, and with my account size, it'll take me like 22 losing trades in a row for me to lose my account. And I don't even trade like that. I don't even trade that much, so that'll take a long time for me to do that. If I take like everything I take is losers. Last Friday though, I was trading pretty stupidly. Like when price was like dropping, like here, when I already missed the trade, I was just like putting in random orders, and then price would pull back on me, and I would close it on a negative. Man, I don't do that shit. All right, I don't know what the fuck I was doing on Friday. But I don't normally do that. I only do that if the only time I did that shit was on US 30 when I only had like $100 left to get my account back to like break even so I can do the challenge again for free. That's the only time I did that. But yeah, that's pretty foolish of me. But yeah, that's about it, man. Like, pretty much I'm bearish on both NAS and GU. So I'm making another video when I can next week. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.